Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this halter neck gown, an adjustable halter neck gown. So I'll be drifting this old outfit to make the beautiful halter neck gown with. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're new, you're welcome. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and also share the video to people you know it to be of help to as well. Please keep watching. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to be taking the length of the gown. The gown is really a long gown, but I'll be making it to be a short gown instead. So I'm taking the length of about 39 inches. That's actually the length I'm using. So I'll be adding extra 2 inches, 1 inch for hemming allowance at the downside, and then 1 inch for folding allowance for the rope that is going to pass to the back. So I'll just place my tape and then mark down to 41 inches. Then draw a straight line to be able to cut the downside since it's not even, since it's not straight. So I'll just cut it out. So guys, I'm actually just confirming the length so that I'll know where I'm going to start my proper measurement from, where the shoulder measurement is actually going to start. So I have the 41 inches there. I'll go ahead and mark the length and then draw a straight line to this other side. And I'll go ahead and divide my shoulder measurement by 2. My shoulder divided by 2 is 7.5 inches. So I'll mark the 7.5 inches there. And then from the shoulder point, I'm going down by 7.5 inches, which is going to be my armhole measurement. And then I'll draw a straight line to the upper side, and then still divide the 7.5 inches by 2, and then I'll place it and mark the midpoint. So guys, after I'm actually done doing that, I'm going to be dividing my bust measurement by 4. I'll divide my round bust measurement by 4, and then I'll mark it, the measurement that I have there, and then mark 1 inch for ease because it's going to be a free dress, and then I'll mark the half an inch that is left there for sewing allowance. And the next thing I'm going to do is to be working back on the shoulder line. I'll be deducting 1 inch from the 7.5 inches, which will be 6 inches. I'll go ahead and mark it there. But this is actually optional. If you want to leave it to be exactly at the 7 inches, you will leave it. But I'll be deducting mine, so I will just draw a straight line. This armhole is not going to be like the normal armhole curve. Okay, so I will just make it to be straight instead of being curvy. So I will slant it to the chest line. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm actually done slanting the armhole, just the same way you see in this video. And I'll go ahead and drag it upwards to be able to connect to the downside. I'll just slant it like an A line. It's actually going outward, so I'll slant it to the full length of the gown, and then when I'm done, I'll go ahead and cut following the measurements. So I'll actually start from the shoulder line. It's actually going to be a straight shoulder line, and then I'll follow to the armhole and then the side of the gown. So when I'm done, I'll go ahead and mark the wrong side of both pieces, both the front and the back piece. And I'll go ahead and separate both the front and the back piece. I'll place the back piece, and then I'll be making an opening at the midpoint of the back piece. I'll place my tape and then mark 4 inches downward. I'll mark the 4 inches, and then I'll be creating an opening with my scissors. So guys, this opening is actually going to be the point where the 2 ropes are actually going to meet at the back. So guys, after I'm done creating the opening, I'll be turning it with a bias. I'll place the bias on the right side and then sew it and turn it to the wrong side. So guys, I'm actually done turning the bias on the clothes, as you can see. So the next thing is for me to fold the armhole. I'll turn it to the right side and then fold it towards the wrong side. sew it round, and then do the same thing to this other side, and then repeat the same process with this other piece as well. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. As you can see, I'm actually done folding in the armhole for all the pieces, as you can see in this video. And the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be turning this from the wrong side. I will fold in about half an inch and then still fold in again, and then sew it round to create a casing for the rope to be able to pass through. And then I'll repeat the same thing with the back piece from this other side and then the other side as well. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. As you can see, I'm done sewing for the both pieces, both the back and the front piece. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting a long rope that will be able to go around my neckline. So I'm gonna head to cut the remaining fabric to join to get the length of about 45 inches. So the length of the rope I'm working with is about 45 inches, and then the width is about 1.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and fold it into two and then sew it round. I'll sew it all the way down and then turn it over and then neatly iron everything. So the next thing is that I'll place the two pieces with the right sides facing each other, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew the side with half an inch and then repeat the same process with this other side. So I'm done sewing the side, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using my safety pin to be able to fix the rope around the neckline. So I'll actually start fixing for the back side. I'll fix for the back side and then take it all the way to the front side and then to the other side of the back, so that the two ropes will actually be at the back. I don't know if you understand what I actually mean, but I'm actually done doing that. So you see what I mean? The two ropes are at the back. I'm going to be tying them at the back. And the good thing about this halter neck gown is that it's actually adjustable. You can make it to be really tiny on your chest line, or you will just leave it to be like wide. It's actually depending on your own preference, and you can actually tie it at the back as well. So the last thing I'm going to do is to be folding the downside. I'll be hemming the downside. You know, I actually left 1 inch for hemming, so I'll fold half and then still fold half an inch and then sew it around. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. As you can see, I'm done hemming the downside and basically the dress is ready. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you're still here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Like this video and also share it to anyone you know it will be of help to. So guys, this is actually the end result of the gown. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.